Hi dear friends, multiple choice questions on income tax part 4 ലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. First one, the PF to which PF Act 1952 applies is A. SPF, B. RPF, C. URPF and D. PPF. Option B is the correct answer, RPF or Recognized Provident Fund. Second one, the maximum deductible amount in respect of entertainment allowance is A. Rupees 6,000, B. Rupees 5,000, C. Rupees 4,000 and D. Rupees 3,000. Option B is the correct answer, Rupees 5,000. Third one, deduction under section 16 subclause 2 is related with A. standard deduction, B. employment tax, C. entertainment allowance and D. tax on salary. Option C is the answer, entertainment allowance. Fourth one, the rate of health and education cess applicable to individuals is A. 3%, B. 4%, C. 8% and D. 10%. Option B is the correct answer, 4%. Fifth one, which of the following retirement benefits is fully taxable to all employees? A. gratuity, B. retrenchment compensation, C. pension, D. commuted pension. Option C is the answer, pension. Sixth one, composite income is also called as A. partially agricultural income, B. agricultural income, C. business income, D. none of these. Option A is the correct answer, partially agricultural income. Seventh one, agricultural income is chargeable along with non-agricultural income if it exceeds A. rupees 2,50,000, B. rupees 3 lakh, C. rupees 5,000 and D. rupees 10,000. Option C is the correct answer, rupees 5,000. Eighth one, under section 10 subsection 1, agricultural income in India is A. fully taxable, B. fully exempted, C. partly exempted and D. partly taxable. Option B is the correct answer, fully exempted. Ninth one, which of the following is an example for casual income? A. income from lotteries, B. winning from crossword puzzles, C. income from gambling and D. all of these. Option D is correct answer, all of these. 10th one, which of the following is applicable to casual income? A. expenses are not deductible, B. set off of loss is permitted, C. TDS is not applicable, D. all of these. Option A is the correct answer, expenses are not deductible. Thank you for watching this video.